In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate videos with AI on HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a video on your computer and start an AI-powered translation so you can reach audiences in another language quickly and clearly. All you need is a stable internet connection and the video file you want to translate. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen and press Enter. In the results, click the official HeyGen website to open it. If you prefer going directly, you can use the translate page at app.heygen.com/translate. Either route takes you to the same place. Once you're in HeyGen, look over to the left sidebar and choose Translate. This brings up the translation workspace, where you'll upload your source video and set your language options. Think of this page as your control center for everything translation related. Next, click Browse Local Files. Your computer's file picker will appear. Navigate to the folder where your video is stored, select the file, and confirm. Common formats like MP4 or MOV typically work well. For best results, choose a video with clear speech and minimal background noise. If your file is large or long, give the upload a moment and keep the tab open. Interrupting the upload can cause delays. After the video is loaded, select the target language. Pick the language your audience understands. If you see regional variations, choose the one that best matches your viewers. Accurate language selection helps the AI produce natural phrasing and timing. In many cases, the system can handle varied accents, but clearer original audio always leads to better translations. Also, make sure you have the right to translate and share any content that includes other people's voices or likenesses. With your video uploaded and the target language set, click Translate. HeyGen will start processing your file, transcribing the original speech, and generating the translated version. Processing time depends on your video's length, file size, and internet speed. You'll see progress on screen. Keep the browser open until it finishes. When it's done, your translated video will be ready to preview inside HeyGen so you can check the result. To recap, you opened Google, searched for HeyGen, entered the HeyGen site, went to Translate on the left sidebar, browsed your local files to choose a video, selected your target language, and clicked Translate to begin. Follow these same steps each time, and you'll have a smooth, repeatable workflow for multilingual content. Thanks for watching, and happy translating!